Looking for Halloween thrills and family-friendly chills? Cedar Point's Halloweekends is back, running select days and nights from September 12th to November 2. It's the ultimate destination for Halloween fun. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey through the depths of fear with 10 pulse-pounding haunted attractions. Venture into the blood-soaked secrets of Club Orpheus in Bloodbath, or step inside Mr. Midnight's eerie residence in Midnight, where the Book of the Dark comes to life. Brave the terrifying Fearground Freak Show, escape the horrors of the slaughterhouse, and uncover the mysteries of the Haunting of Erie Estate. Outside, you'll face nightmarish scare zones like Clown's Hall of Infamy, Blood on the Bayou, and Cornstalkers 2.0, Revenge of the Pumpkin Heads. Whether you're there for family fun or spine-chilling frights, Cedar Point's Halloweekends has it all. Join them this Halloween season, if you dare. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it thumbs up. I would hate to send Wilbur to haunt your dreams.
Be strong.